Hi guys, Paul here from Pilgrim Motorsports and Muscle Car UK. What we've got for sale today is this beautiful Replica 356. It was built here in our factory about a couple of years ago. It's only done 2,000 miles and unfortunately we've had it back for under sad circumstances, but hey, it's still for sale now. We've been building these for many years and this is one that we built for our demonstration model, so you may have seen it at many shows including Car Fest, and people have absolutely loved the colours of this car, the grey with the red interior. We've been building these, as I say, for many years, and this is one that we spent a lot of money and time on. We upgraded a lot of the suspension, disc brakes, upgraded suspension front and rear. In the back you've got a 1650 engine, twin carburettor that rattles along really nicely. Now a lot of these speedsters drive very much like a Volkswagen Beetle because that's what they're built on, but this particular car has had so many upgrades it really does drive extremely tight. It's like driving a sort of modern day Golf. So a fabulous car, will drive 70 miles an hour all day long if you want it to. Very reliable of course because it's Volkswagen, but it has been registered correctly. It's gone through all the British standards test, so it isn't one that's got a heritage historic logbook. That this is literally registered correctly as a Pilgrim Speedster. Now that is important because you know you're getting the correct car. But a beautiful car, great fun to drive, and everybody loves it wherever you go. Just going to show you the engine, 1650cc, twin carburettor. It's all rebuilt 2,000 miles ago, so was the gearbox, so you've got no worries about reliability. They go on forever. But beautifully finished all inside, and a great car, great fun to drive. The car comes with a heater, so if you're looking at it and thinking, oh well, you know, it looks a bit cold, it comes with a heater. It comes with a roof, so it's got like a mohair roof that's done at this level, so it goes with the style of the actual car, because this is more rounded and a retro style of a car than some of the others that are on the market. But really, got an immobiliser on it. It's just ready to go. It's a beautiful little car. Another thing I want to tell you guys about this, if you want an original one of these, they're about £250,000 to £300,000, and I guarantee it won't drive anything like this little fella. This you could drive down to the south of France tomorrow. Again, we can alter everything on it, so if the seats you don't like, or you think you might want them lower or higher, all that sort of thing can be done, because we've built this car, we've built it from scratch. So we can do anything with these cars. Driving these little speedsters are absolutely great fun. 1650 twin carburettor gives you a nice little bit of punch. You can go 70 miles an hour all day long when you're going on a day like today, beautiful sun out through the countryside. It's absolutely stunning fun. If you're ready to get yourself into a speedster, come and get it. It's about 300 grand for a real one, so why not one have as good as this?